Hi everyone, this is Karim, Senior BA Developer. Today I am going to discussing about Introduction to BI Tools. What is BI Tools? Is a business intelligence tool. The name itself clearly indicating that it's totally related to business sector things. How the business is running, what is the status of business, this all easily analyzing point of view BI tools came in picture. Why we require BI tools? I will give a simple example for this question. One businessman having different type of businesses like retail business, telecom business, electronic business, chemical business. All business related data is stored in different databases. Like retail business data is stored in SQL database, telecom business data stored in Terra database, electronic business data stored in Salesforce database, chemical business data stored in AWS cloud database. When the businessman want to see that report of the specific business, they need to log in specific database, then only they will get full clarity about that particular business. When they want to see the chemical business status or report, they need to log in AWS cloud database. Then only he will get full report of the particular business. They want to see the retail business status, they need to log in SQL database. Then only he will get clarity about that particular business status. When they want to compare with one business to another business, they need to log in both database. Then only he will get some clarity about comparison of these two businesses. That's not easy to compare the one database report to another database. It is a complex activity, so complex process. So this type of drawbacks avoiding point of view, the BA tools came in picture. What is BA tool main functionality? BA tool main functionality is the combining the data coming from multiple databases into a single report platform. That means the, the businessman having four businesses, all databases are different databases available, all databases will combining and it's building one single report. That is the main functionality of the BI tool. And also few more functionalities available in BI tools are application that help user analyze and visualize the data without programming, and also can display and share data in a form of charts, dashboards and tables, and also can help organization make data driven decisions by combining business analysis, data visualization, best practices, and also are open source application software that are used to collect, process, analyze, sort, filter and report the large quantity of data, and also uses business analytics, data mining, data visualization and data to help organization make better data driven decision, or software application that facilitate the collection, integration, analysis and presentation of the business information. The few important functionality of the business intelligence tool. The main aim of the business intelligence tool to easily analyzing the, the trend of that business, and also the main feature of business intelligence tool is is a few more important or advantages of business intelligence tool are improves the decision making process. It's the improving the decision making process to how to improve the business, and also makes it easy to access and share information. They want to share the information with the help of visualization. It will easily understanding how the business is running. Enables the real-time analysis with the quick navigation. With the help of navigation, button navigation, it will be easily to analyze the real-time analysis with the quick navigation, and also helps you know your businesses. Reduce the risk of the bottlenecks, and also helps identifying waste in the system. These are few advantages and features of the business intelligence tool. These are few list of BI tools available in market. Those are Domo, Power BI, Tableau, Quick, Spotfire, Databox, Mode Analytics, DataPine, Oracle Business Intelligent, SAS, Metabase, Google Business Intelligent. These are few list of BI tools available in market. In that list, top 10 BI tools are Tableau, Power BI, ClickSense, Looker, Domo, Sense, SAP Business Objects, Spotfire, Zoho Analytics, MicroStrategies. These are top leading BI tools in that market. Most of the clients are preferring to build a dashboard or build the report with the help of these BI tools. So thank you for watching. In upcoming section, we will continue our each and every BI tool related sections. Thank you. Thank you for watching.